Let's make an unboxing and let's see how is this projector. I'm very curious of it. Into the box, power cable, brochure, V-color tuner. Man, I'm so curious about the contrast because I know there are improvements into this last model of Viewsonic. We will talk further as we unboxing and present it. I will tell you tricks, I will tell you the differences between this new model and the old models. The remote control, small remote control, ooh, it has lights, and the USB-C to USB-C, you can connect your phone and it has an application, boom, you can make a smart projector. And watch this review, guys, because we will compare it to the Acer H6510. And this review is good because we film with a cinematographic cameras. The colors will be as accurate as possible because we film at 12 bits. I don't know if YouTube will make a conversion. I think will be 10 bits, but it's okay. So guys, this is the projector. I think it's small. It's way smaller than Optoma. And it's I think it's exactly like my Acer projector at the dimensions, and it's a good thing because you can transport it very easily. It didn't came with a bag to it, but you can get a bag, you can figure it out. And it doesn't have a cap, but it has a protection here for the lens. It has a protection and I think it's good. And guys, the greatest thing for this projector, and it attracted my attention, that it has 1.3 optical zoom. Optical. So YouTubers, please tell me your thoughts. Guys, comment. Please tell me, what do you think about this projector? If it's worth buying or not? It satisfies all your demands as a client. It's a long review, guys, but you know, good things do not come easily. So guys, this is the new projector. Even if it was launched in the 2021, this year will be the new projectors of 2022. This year barely people heard about this 4K HDR projector. It's a HDR. So let's have a look at it. So this is a protection for the lens here. You cannot switch it. You have the focus here and the zoom, and you see it moves a lot into the interior, the whole assemble of the lens, and this will make you the biggest picture with this projector at 3.5 meters. You will make a great picture of 4 meters. So this is good. Why? The biggest you have the optical zoom on a lens projector, the biggest you will have the image onto your wall or to your projector screen. Here is the fan on the right of it, and it's very silent. This is what I'm telling you. I'm anxious to turn it on and let's see if indeed the Viewsonic made a great projector.